Welcome to the Advanced WordPress Mastery Kit Chapter 6. WordPress Dashboard Overview. In this video tutorial, we are going to see an overview of complete WordPress dashboard, step by step. So let's get started. So now log into your WordPress dashboard. On left we can see all its panel options. First we have Dashboard, Home, Updates. Then we have Posts and inside we have All Posts, Add New, Categories, Tags. Then we have Media and inside we have Library, Add New. Then we have Pages and inside we have All Pages, Add New. Then we have Comments. After that Appearance and inside we have Themes, Customize, Widgets, Menus, Background, Theme Editor. Then we have Plugins and inside we have Installed Plugins, Add New, Plugin Editor. Then we have Users and inside we have All Users, Add New, Profile. After that, Tools and inside we have Available Tools, Import, Export, Site Health, Export Personal Data, Erase Personal Data. Then we have Settings, inside we have